Hi, I'm Chef Darcy, and today we're talking about onions. There's a bunch of different kinds, lots of common ones that you'll find at the grocery store. Just pulled this one right out of our garden here at Echo Park. Green onion, great for salads, great for like tuna salad, salmon salad, that kind of thing. And then we get into some of the cooking onions. This one here, the yellow onion, it is fantastic for pretty much anything. It is like the workhorse of the kitchen. Pretty much every recipe, great for cooking. Lots of actually internal sugars there to be nice and sweet as well. Next one is this red onion. This one's great for salads, you know, Greek salad, pretty standard fare there. Fantastic, great pickled. The color changes really nicely when you hit it with a little bit of vinegar. And then last of all, I want to talk about this one. This is a little shallot here, okay? The shallot is very prized, especially in French cuisine. Very fine flavor, great for sauce making. Pick some of these ones up. They're great to try out. For recipes and class information, check out echoblueflamekitchen.com.